just wrapped this up, and how convenient enough that the next job we moved on to after this one just so happens to be right over there.
Flashback.
We out here at Bobby J's, laying the base, tamping it down, really getting this going here.
I can't get up!
And then gonna finish this pathway, maybe Monday or something.
I'm a really bad person to like stay up late.
Yeah.
Turn that off.
Amazingly, this thing is still charged. Say hi, Keith. Thanks, friend. Getting plants in today. Getting some landscaping done. It's gonna be a cobble edge on this bed. That'll be real nice, real nice. Gonna get these beds fixed up, level out the dirt. Gonna maybe finish Bobby J's today.
Just finished up that front walkway and then come around the back. This is the project we just finished up, all still covered up. Travertine patio, did those steps and the stone steppers, a little sod. Still have some privacy landscaping going all right here. And once again, walk around front, see what just wrapped up. Cobble edges there, the planting stone gravel all around the front, flagstone walkway and landscaping, and then next I'll be walking next door. Check out the other project. Peace.
Do you like me? If you do, please say.